2 and 3, 4 and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All the girls perspective, zack, zack. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3. Block 4 and 5. Girls copy. Da, 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 look. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next we go. With the girl forward, 1, and I make connection here so I can push her back. The main leading is in the hand. The hand is leading here, okay? But the leg is going to help the girl to understand that we're going back, and maybe she can make a styling if she wants. But here we don't have that much time because syncopation. 2 and, sorry. 2 and 3. On the 3 we cross. Shh. Then we block 4. And on the 4, after the block, I'm going to remove my hands and show the girl, look what I'm doing. 5. And if she wants, she can copy 5. If not, she can do whatever. On 6, 7 and 8, I'm going to make 7 and she makes 8. 7 and 8. That means the end is going to lift her shoulder and she can make this part on her own. Then here I'm not touching anything, everything is like this, okay? So now I go forward. 1 and block 2 on the hand and give her a signal to do the same. 3 and 4. So how this works? We were here, I wasn't touching anything, I swear, and then I go 1 and 2, and then I tell her go down and block on the hand. Now I make a small styling for the guy. 5 and 6. Throw the hand and let her do her styling. Girl styling?
Yeah, so when I throw the hand, I throw this one up, shoulders down,
6,
hand nice, this one to the side, up, and then I go back into my normal position because then he eventually wants to come to me. Okay?
Let's see if I want to.
Yeah, if you want to.
So the 5 and 6, 7, 8. On the 1, because I'm far away, I can do slide to her, or because if I go here, I'm too far away. Okay, so I will go 1, catch the connection, in the frame. Now we make my styling. 2 and 3. Good. I'm going to show the guys the styling for a second. So I went to her 1, and I'm going to make 2 and 3. At the same time as I'm doing this, I'm bringing her from my left. 2 and 3, and I block with the body weight between both legs. Okay, let me show it from this time. I go 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to lift and 4, and at the same time as I lift her, I'm going to go myself up and 4. And then we're going to do Jenga, but first without Jenga, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we are here with Jengas like this. I'm going to go back and turn my hip to the right. So I'm going to go down and turning my hip to the right and bending my knees so I can tell her this. 5, 6 straight, and then 7 and 8 syncopation. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2 and 3, block 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 5, 6, 7, we go, and 1, 2 and 3, block 4 and 5, and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. Thank you. Nice. Nice.